Hey, what's up guys? This is Desmond here, and I want to show you something really cool here in this video. And I want to teach you something really powerful that you can do to raise a few $1,000s this year as a startup capital to your business. Now, I always believe that if you want to start a business, you need to spend some money. You need to invest money into your business to either hire people, to run ads, to build websites or whatever it is. But in this video, I'm going to show you something really cool that you can use to raise just your first few $1,000s just for your seed capital so that you will reinvest into your business and grow your business. If you're ready, what I want you to do right now is just hit the subscribe button, like this video. If you want more videos like this, I'm planning to make more videos like this, but only if you guys liked it. So here you go. Watching this right now, you're looking for some strategies that will allow you to earn a few $1,000s, maybe even more, in your first month. And as I said, those few $1,000s is not for you to go and buy some Gucci belts and some new shoes or whatever it is. These few $1,000s will be treated as your startup capital to make bigger things happen in your life. So I hope you understand that, okay? Now, so how are we gonna do it? What is our strategy? So this is inspired by one of my students who wanted to come to my training, wanted to come to my workshop, but my workshop is obviously very high priced. The reason why it's high priced is because I don't deal and I don't play small. And he wanted to come. He said, Desmond, I love what you do. I love your message, but I wanted to come to your training. I said, you know what? My training is expensive. You have to find the money if you don't have the money. And he found the money. And I asked him, how did you find the money? Like, you're not supposed to be here. How did you end up here? And he said, Desmond, because I decided to be a resourceful. I say, how? Tell me more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you this powerful strategy, and this strategy is going to help you understand it a little bit more. Now, the thing is, remember this, if you don't have the money, you always need to sacrifice your time and effort, okay? It's either or. So you can either invest money or you can invest time or effort. So in this case, with this guy, let's just call him Jacob. Jacob doesn't have the money. He needs to make money. So he's willing to sacrifice his time and effort. So here's how he did it. He went on Yellow Pages. He went on Google Maps and he found like 100 businesses, local chiropractors, dentists, right? Cafes, restaurants, okay? Hair salons, beauty salons, facial salons, okay? And weight loss slimming centers, okay, and plenty more. And he went to these businesses and he researched if they have a website. He will literally create a spreadsheet. If they have a website, he'll take it. If they don't have the website, he'll just cross it out. And then he'll find out if they have a Facebook page. He'll take it if they have a Facebook page, and he'll also go find out if they have an Instagram page. If they don't have an Instagram page, he'll just mark it empty on a spreadsheet, but if they already have it, he'll take it. So at the end of the day, after going through 100 businesses and doing all this research, it took him an entire day to do it. Here's something really interesting, right? He found out that out of the 100 businesses, about 70 of these businesses do not have either website, Facebook, or Instagram. When he noticed that some of these companies, some of these businesses don't have a website or don't have a Facebook page or don't have an Instagram, he went out there, contacted them through a cold email, right? Cold email, and just tell them that, you know what? I've already done your website for you. You know what? I've already done your Instagram page for you. You know what? I've already done your Facebook page for you. So what he would do was that out of the companies that don't have, about 70 of them that don't have either a website, Facebook or Instagram, he already pre-built a sample page or website for the potential client. And I'll just give an example. He was helping this local cafe. Let's just call it ABC Cafe, right? ABC Cafe. If you just cold email ABC Cafe, most likely they will just ignore you, right? But what Jacob did was very, very interesting. He will use his time and energy and effort to build the Facebook page, which is free, right? Facebook page. And he will use canva.com, which is again free, to do the designs, right? And he will just maybe make like 3 or 4 of the posts based on the business. So that particular business was famous for one thing: lavender coffee, like a coffee that has some lavender powder. He would use the Facebook page promote the lavender coffee. Just as an example, he'll put pictures that he found online and put it onto the page as well, okay? And what happened was that he would email the owner for the first time and say, hey, you know what? I noticed that you don't have a Facebook page. I've already done a sample Facebook page for you. Here you go, right? If you are interested in us doing social media management for you, let's have a meeting. If not, if you would like the page that I've already done for you as well, we can easily send it to you just as a gesture of beginning of a business relationship, right? So that's what Jacob did. Out of the 70 people that he did that, email them, build the page or Instagram or website for them, right? About 30 of them replied back and said, wow, I would like to work with you, right? About 30 of them. Now, out of the 30, I was talking to Jacob, Jacob, you cannot go and serve all the clients. You have to pick the clients that is most likely you will love to serve or you're passionate about serving. And out of the 30 clients, 10 of them become Jacob's clients. Each one of them are paying about $2,000 to Jacob. But 10 clients at $2,000 each, I don't know about you, that's $20,000 a month. That's $240,000 a year, right? $240,000 a year. That's insane. That's good money. I don't know about you. All he did was to sacrifice his time and effort. And he messaged all of these people and built free websites and free page and free Instagram for them. That's it. And he would just say, you know what, I've done it for you. If you like it, if you like what we do, what we have done for you, let me know. I'm more than happy to proceed. Let's have a meeting. That's it. Jacob spent zero money. Going to Google Maps and opening Yellow Pages doesn't cost anything, just time, right? Time and effort, finding the businesses and then doing some research. It took about 1 day to 2 days. But here's the really cool thing. After he has done the website, it took him about 1 week to did a lot of the website that he did, but it was well worth it. Well, let me ask you a question. You might be thinking, Desmond, this is a lot of work. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm ready for this. I'm not sure if I'm ready to even do this. Because some people will come and tell me, Desmond, I don't think this is worth $20,000. Building 70 pages and charging and making only $20,000 a month. I don't know if this is worth it. You have to start somewhere. And the hardest thing about starting is asking yourself if you're willing to work hard to get started, to even launch yourself. Most people, they have this mentality where I'm too good for this. It's not worth my time. It's not worth this. That's because their mind is telling them that they are lazy and they should not do it. So which one are you? Are you going to do it? Right? I can do it like Jacob, where he raised a few $1,000s in the first few days of doing this, and then $20,000 in the first month. Which one do you think you want to be? You want to be the person that actually do something, or do you want to be one of those persons that just sit around and just complain that, oh, there's no clients, no one is coming to me, I'm not making any money? Which one do you want to be? Hope this video helps.